Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins long before it reaches your hand. Before the chill of the fridge, before the fizz of the pour, before the first refreshing sip, there is a journey of ingredients, precision engineering, and one of the most advanced beverage systems on Earth. This is how Coca-Cola is made, from raw materials to the moment you enjoy it. Our story starts in the fields, where sugarcane grows under the early morning sun. Here, the first key ingredient is harvested by skilled hands and loaded onto waiting trucks. This sugar will soon travel hundreds, even thousands of kilometers to reach one of Coca-Cola's bottling plants. Pure water forms the heart of every Coca-Cola bottle. From rivers, deep wells, or mountain-fed reservoirs, this water is collected through secure intake systems that ensure quality from the very first drop. As trucks filled with sugar, ingredients, and CO2 travel down highways toward modern industrial hubs, the scale of Coca-Cola's global supply network comes into focus. Everything converges at one destination, the bottling facility. At the factory gates, a new phase begins. Forklifts unload pallets of sugar, barrels of secret flavor concentrates, and cylinders of compressed carbon dioxide. Inside the vast warehouse, each ingredient is scanned, logged, and stored with absolute precision. Nothing enters production without passing strict quality standards. Next door, the water treatment center comes alive. Operators monitor purification tanks, filtration systems, and real-time data. This water will be purified to levels even higher than drinking standards, ensuring clarity, safety, and consistency in every bottle. And then, there is the heart of Coca-Cola, the syrup. Inside a secured, access-controlled room, stainless steel mixing tanks hold the company's most protected formula. Only authorized technicians may enter, and even they see only part of the process. Here, sugar is dissolved, filtered, and blended with the iconic Coca-Cola concentrate. The result is a rich, dark syrup that forms the base of the drink known worldwide. From the syrup room, pipelines deliver this mixture to the next stage, where it will meet the ingredient that gives Coke its signature sparkle. Carbonation, the art of infusing water with CO2. Inside massive pressure-controlled tanks, chilled, purified water meets carbon dioxide, creating crystal-clear carbonated water. This bubbly water and the Coca-Cola syrup merge inside high-precision mixing units. Every ratio is monitored, every parameter recorded to achieve that unmistakable Coke taste. Meanwhile, in the laboratory, scientists test samples, checking sweetness, acidity, carbonation level, and microbiological purity. Only when a batch passes every test does it move forward. Now comes the moment where Coca-Cola takes shape. Pallets of classic Coca-Cola contour bottles arrive, transparent, iconic, waiting to be filled. They first pass through powerful rinsing systems, washed and sanitized through heat and purified water jets. Next, under bright sterilization lights, they move toward the high-speed filling line. Thousands of bottles glide along stainless steel conveyors as cola flows from multiple filling heads with incredible precision. Bubbles rise, foam settles, and each bottle is filled to perfection. Red caps drop into place, twisted tight by rotating capping units. A laser marks each bottle with its date and batch code, a fingerprint of its production. At the labeling line, huge rolls of bright red Coca-Cola labels spin into action. In a fraction of a second, each label wraps smoothly around the bottle, aligned with exact consistency. Any bottle that doesn't meet standards is automatically removed by quality sensors. Only perfect bottles continue. They group together into 6-packs and 12-packs, moving through heat tunnels that shrink-wrap them tightly. Robotic arms place these packs into branded cartons and then onto pallets, stacked with machine-level accuracy. The journey continues from warehouse to world. Massive storage halls hold thousands of pallets, ready for delivery. Forklifts load them into bright red Coca-Cola trucks. As the trucks roll onto highways at sunset, the beverage begins its final voyage to supermarkets, corner shops, vending machines, and restaurants. Each delivery is scanned, checked, and placed onto shelves, cold and ready for the customer. And finally, the journey ends where it truly matters, in your hands. Inside a chilled fridge, the Coca-Cola bottle waits, glass door fogged with cool condensation. The customer reaches in, grabs the cold bottle, and carries it to the checkout. At home or with friends, the cap twists open, the fizz rises, and Coca-Cola is poured over ice, sparkling under the light. Laughter, conversation, and connection fill the atmosphere. For more than a century, Coca-Cola has been part of moments like these. Moments of refreshment, celebration, from fields and factories to shelves and smiles. This is the journey of Coca-Cola, the real story behind every sip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more premium cinematic content. Your support helps us create even bigger and better stories. Thanks for watching.